What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to this trade recap. Today I'm gonna go over price action and what I took. I got a break-even trade, so I made $0 today. So yeah, let's just get over it. So coming into the market, I was extremely bearish because we have all this low resistance liquidity just resting here, and we are respecting a 4-hour fair value gap right here. And I could not see price going up to this fair value gap because yeah, it seemed too high for me. So let's go to the 1 hour. And we also had this SMT, which confirmed my bearish bias. So market open right here. Boom. Initially, I wanted to see a move like this. Let me just draw it out real quick. Got up to the 1 hour, then proceeded down. But you know NASDAQ, it never happens. We just straight dump. So, bang. Here we are. Now we are on the 50-minute time frame. Actually, let me go a little bit lower. Yeah, okay. So at this point in time right here, we actually did make a SMT with the 1 hour gap. And I saw some people take this trade right here, but yeah, I did this trade right here from this 1 minute inversion right here, but it just seemed too suspicious for me. And the reason just because of the choppiness. So I waited. And we swept out all my draws and liquidity. So what could I possibly be looking for now? I could possibly be looking for a long, because we are also inside this 1 hour gap right here, as well as order block. So this is what happens. So this is what happened. I was initially looking for longs now, to see if I could, catch just like maybe a 1-to-1 or some shit like that. Maybe some of all this low resistance liquidity is not the best draw on liquidity. Why? Because we have S&P with it. But I could see this going because it's a 5-minute we invest, and as what I've noticed is that when we invest like a higher time frame, like a 5-minute or something, then it could work out. So I was kind of like in a scenario right here. I was looking for continuation initially from this 5-minute fair value gap first, and we had this 1 minute right here that I wanted to see get inversed. But it was kind of like if we invest the 5-minute, I'll take the 5-minute. If we invest the 1 minute, I'll take the 1 minute. So whatever like came first, both of these were my conditions. So what ended up happening, we inverse the 5-minute, and I take my trade right here, put stop loss below the body, and target this. My break even in this case right here is this high inside this fair value gap right here. Why? Because we never know how the price will move after sweeping a high inside the fair value gap. So what happens if we look closely on ES as well? ES takes out that high inside that fair value gap, so that was a sign for me to go break even. So I went break even and got stopped out. So yeah, all fine day, I guess. So yeah, that'll be it for me.
Thank you for watching, everybody. See you in the next trade recap.
Yeah, that was my homie. Bye bye.